Okay, so we will continue from where we left last time. So now we have to do our this layer, right? This second layer also. Okay, so how can we do that? First we have to find an edge that does not contain yellow color. So I told you what is an edge in my last video. So this edge does not contain the yellow color. Okay, so the front facing color, the front facing edge color, I will match that with its center. So like it was here first, I have matched it like this. Okay, so it is matched now. Then we have to see where the top color. So the top color is green. Then we have to see that where is the top color on a where is the top color center, the on the left side or on the right side. On the right side. So over here in this case it is on the left side. So what do we have to do to insert this edge over here? We have to first do, whenever the top color center is on the left side, we have to do the following algorithm: U prime, L prime, U prime, L, U. Turn the cube to the left and then just do R, U, R prime, U prime, and you'll see our edge is inserted. Now let's find another edge that does not contain yellow. So this edge does not contain yellow. So the front color, we will match it with its center. Right now the front color is red, but the center is orange. So this is not matched. This is also not matched. And this is matched. Now we have to see where is our top color center, on the left or on the right. Over here, the top color's center is on the right. So you have to do the following algorithm when it is on the right. U, R, U, R prime, U prime, turn it to the right, and then L prime, U prime, L, U, and our edge is inserted. Now we have another edge over here. Okay, so we'll just do one, we'll see it is matched with its center. The top color is right now on our right. Okay, it is on our right. So I told you what to do for the right one. Just U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, turn it to the left, and L prime, U prime, L, U, and our edge has come over here. Now let's find another edge, and this is the final edge. So let's match it with its center. Matched. Take it like this is blue, the top color is blue and blue is on the left. Okay, so do U prime, L prime, U prime, L, U, turn it, and then R, U, R prime, U prime. Now there is a case. There is a case. I'll just show you the case. I'll just make the case. So just 2 minutes. This is a case that is really important. Okay. Oh. I'm just making the case. Okay, so I have made the case. You see, whenever there is over here, the second layer is not done and you don't have an edge on top layer, on the top layer you don't have an edge without the color yellow. So what do you have to do? In that situation, you will just do a U prime move, R, U, R prime, U prime, turn it on the right, and then L prime, U prime, L, and U. And now you will search the top layer. so you will have an edge not containing yellow in it, and then you can just solve the whole second layer using my method. So I'll just solve it. So you know how to solve it, but I'm just solving it. You know now all the cases. Okay, so thank you guys. Today we learned how to do the second layer, and in the next video we will do we will learn how to do this top layer. Not this part, but this part. Okay, so thank you guys. If you like the video, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, do it and press the notification bell too, so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Plus subscribe too.